Does your hip drop look flat, messy, or with no energy? You seem to bounce a lot while doing hip drops. Belly dancing is all about control. Hi guys, this is Leena and today we are going to learn hip drops. Very important is your belly dancing posture. Pelvic bone tuck in, chest lifted up, shoulders rolled back. Softer your knees, do not lock it. They stay slightly bent and softer. Your feet are hip distance apart or a palm distance apart. Flat, pointed, straight. In your hip drops, you are not going to shift your weight completely towards left or right. So the first thing very important is engaging your core muscles. So you're not going to shift your weight to the either sides. Pelvic bone tuck in, make sure engage those core muscles, your glutes are engaged, your quadriceps is engaged, your upper body stays relaxed. You can either extend your arms to chest level or to the hip level. But make sure your elbows are not getting closer but they are extended to the side. Imagine there is a string, vertical string, and the string is pulling your hip into your ribs. So you're going to squeeze your hips into your ribs. Again, 1, 2, 3. So if you see, when I squeeze my hip into my ribs, the knee goes slightly behind. It doesn't get locked, it's still soft, it just slightly straightens up. 1, 2. And the other one, knee, is slightly pointing towards down. It's going down in the floor and that hip is also down. So this is your hip drop accent. Squeeze that hip up, the other one goes down, hip down, knee down. Again squeeze it to the rib cage, the other one releases down. So your knees are going back and forth, more pushing towards the down, 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 down. Make sure your pelvic bone is tucked in, engage your core muscles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, or focus more on the knees going downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your hip up. Release with a accent or drop. Squeeze, drop. The other one is already squeezing, so just release your hip, down, drop, release, drop. Extend your arms or hip level, make sure your knees are softer, squeeze your left hip into the rib and release, drop. Other side, drop, other side, drop, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, drop, 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 drop. Make sure you're engaging your core muscles. Drop, 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 drop. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 6 counts. Starting with your left hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do drop one side. Your left leg stays in place. Do not lock your knees. It's softer. The right, you're going to point your toes or on the ball of the feet. Again, you're not shifting your complete weight towards your left hip or to the left leg. So core muscles engage, pelvic bone tuck in, chest up. Starting with your right hip, similar way, same thing, squeezing your hip up towards your rib cage and release with a drop without shifting any weight towards your left. So drop, but I'm not going dropping and shifting the weight. Your hip doesn't go out, it stays in one place. This stays in one place. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7. Go squeeze and release and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax with your squeeze, drop with an energy, drop with bang. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Drop, drop, drop. 1, 2, 1, drop. 1, 2, 1, drop. Slightly faster, extending your arms. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop, 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 drop. Point your toe on the ball of the feet. Softer knees, hips squeezing to in the rib cage. Release and drop it. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. Let's try with the arms extended up and to the side. Point your toe. Pelvic bone tuck in, chest up. 5, 6, 7. Go. Drop, 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 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.